Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tech Talk. Today we're going to be doing a review of the uh, Xiaomi Mi A1, which is an Android One product. It's one of the first budget Android phones that is running stock Google, and this phone cost me just over $200, and it has, let's see, we'll go into the specs here before we open her up. Let's see here. Dual SIM, LTE, dual camera, 12 megapixel and 12 megapixel. Has the octa-core Snapdragon 625, 5.5 HD display, and I believe also 4 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, and this is the gold version, which I thought I was getting the black version, but I think that was out of stock. So, I have a black case for it anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. It's more about the phone itself and how it works, not really the color per se. And I got this priced the best that I could find. So this is the device itself, straight out of the box. Looks pretty nice, feels really nice in my hand. Beveled edges, volume rocker, power button, SIM tray on the side, speaker on the bottom, USB-C, and a 3.5mm jack on the bottom. It has a fingerprint reader on the back with the dual camera and dual LED. Looks pretty good. So we're going to turn it on. Show you guys, I guess I should take this Mi.com screen protector off. So I'm going to put this on pause just for a second. I'm going to set this up and show you guys what this looks like once it's on. In the box, I believe there's not much in here other than the EU. I don't think Gearbest even sent me an adapter, which is a little frustrating. There's my SIM tool. Looks like there's a few things in here. There is a screen protector that they add. And yes, this is just a warranty card and our plug without an adapter. They didn't send me an adapter. That was not very nice, Gearbest. Although I do have an adapter that will work. So I'm going to pause this and then we'll get on to the whole review.